People are throwing their trash in the garbage can. Then comes a truck and picks up garbage. Then truck takes garbage to the landfill. 6 to 8 people are sorting the trash by their hands. Then assorted trash is taken to machine. There pack the garbage together and there's as little as possible. Then garbage is taken by a truck to Poland and Estonia. In Poland and Estonia, the garbage are getting recycled into new things we can buy in supermarket all around the world. One spoon in a truck is the same as 4 to 5% waste and it's going to atmosphere. An example of recycling is egg boxes, white paper, transport boxes made of plastic, bottles, magazines, milk jugs.